the 2014 Chrysler 300C. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. Chrysler prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including power front seats, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front fog lights, heated steering wheel, heated door mirrors, and cruise control. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive technology maintains a firm grip on the road. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.